What's up guys, how are you all? I am Karan and you are watching my channel Tech and News. So guys, today in this video I am going to show you how you can convert your normal Android into Android Nugget. Like any of your Android Kit Kat, Lollipop, Marshmallow, you can convert into Android Nugget very easily. So please note that I am not converting my Android to Nugget from any TWRP recovery or custom ROM. It is by a launcher process, and by a simple method your Android can be converted into Android Nugget. So open Play Store and search for End Launcher. So I have searched for it and you have to open it. After opening you can see a launcher like that. Okay, so the process is now not completed. Now you need to go to settings, default applications, home, and set End Launcher as your default launcher. So guys, this is the method by which you can change your ordinary launcher to Nugget launcher and your mobile into Android Nugget. So you can see the mobile is running very smooth in comparison to the previous launcher, and there are very ads for the games which are very famous and others. Like your whole phone is changed, and you can see this Google option. It is like the Android Oreo. I have changed this option into Oreo, but you can remain it as Nugget. So guys, this is the video. If you found it interesting, so please like the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting new tips and tricks about Android phones and iOS also.